No, he's still not hungry. Why won't you eat? Why won't he eat? Yeah, he's got a clamp on there. Good morning. Today we're going to go on a leech hunt. We're going to try and explore these markets of Istanbul and look for a leech and do a bit of medicinal leech therapy. What else should you do in Istanbul? Should you go to the Hagia Sophia Church? Should you enjoy the Bosphorus Strait? No. We're going to find some leeches and do some leech therapy. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I'm not sure where the leeches are. Might not even be in this market at all, to be honest. I'm not really sure. But there's fruits, vegetables, various spices. Look at all these. Candies, dates, hazelnut. Apparently they have the most hazelnuts in Turkey. Did you know that? But I do see more walnuts than hazelnuts. This looks like a clothes market, but we'll keep looking. And if there's nothing here, we might have to move on. Maybe to the Egyptian bazaar in town, perhaps. Okay, we found something. Check these out, look. 33 cents. You can get ultimate gummy to surprise. Bears, snakes, bones. Ooh. Which one do you want? Might take these bears here. Oh, no, the cherries are pretty good too. Yeah, gotta get some bears. Little bear surprise. Wow. I got everything in here. Look at this. Spices. Cinnamon. What are these buggers? Wow. Calvel-tillic. Johnson Calvel-tillic. That's a good question. Calvel-tillic. I think you get the whole tube here, you drop it in the pan, then you need no more spices. It's like 8 spices. You go boop, then you can make a soup. Maybe. Or maybe I made that up. We found the leech. Check it out. No, we're not there yet, but we will find it. Alright, so no leeches in this market, I don't think. We have some Nikes, first copy. Maybe a second copy. But oh, eggs, cheese, but yeah, no leeches. So we might have to venture into the city center and try and pick up some there, and yeah, resume from there. Wow. Alright. Fishing for underwear, I see. Look how big this radish is. Have you ever seen a radish that big in your whole life? Check it out. Getting a little bit of a snack for the market hunt. A little bit of energy. It's not bad. Okay, we're going to the city. We're gonna find these damn leeches. What did you get? Who is it? Mewtwo. Wow, a Turkish Mewtwo in Turkey. Thank you to our random 2 friends who will, I guess, remain anonymous because I don't know who they are or where they went. Okay, so I think we've found the place now. It's pretty much the only place where we can buy them. I feel like we've walked all the way around the city, the Spice Bazaar, the Grand Bazaar, all the outdoor markets, but it seems it's this little area next to the mosque where we can buy the leeches from. So let's have a look here. Oh, it's so busy today. So there's the mosque there, look. And here we're getting into a little, I think more of a local section here. You can get, if you want to feed the pigeons, you can do it cheaper. You don't have to buy a couple of dollars worth from a random person. You can get them right here. Alright, yeah, this looks like the location here. We have seeds, little bulbs for planting, pet food, even pets. I think I hear some birds. But I think I see the leeches. Wow. Yeah, there they got birds too. All kinds of birds, fish, birds and fish. Alright. Alright, wow, okay, I'm seeing them. So we need to find our best leech salesman. Maybe one that speaks English might be better, but maybe not too necessary. Oh, here we go. Look at these. Look at these buggers. I don't know if you can see that. Look at him. Medicalis. Here we go, look. Met Maya. Oh. Alright, you're gonna get one now. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
You ready for the Leechopolis? Wow. Is that a pigeon? Are you a pigeon? Why are you in here? Why is there a pigeon in here? What are you doing, man? Found a pigeon. Pigeon in a pet shop. Have you ever seen a pigeon in a pet shop? Wow. Right, oh, someone's buying leeches. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it works. Ow, my ears. Oh yeah, look. So it looks like you take them home. So he has a water bottle. I think you pick which leeches you want. You put it in the water bottle. I guess he has a bit of water and you can take it home. So we might have to administer the leech ourselves. Who knows? But it looks like the prices go up in size. The biggest leech is almost $3 and the smallest one is around $1, something like that. So the bigger the leech, the more expensive. All right, let's try and buy one. Wow. Yeah, look. So the mini one's 50 here, and 60, all the way to Grande up there. Looks like a lot of people are buying them too. Wow. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is for
my knee.
Okay, one for the knee and one for the face.
Okay.
Okay, yes. One this one and one that one. One. Yes. Okay.
It's gonna give you in the bottle.
Yeah. So we have one for the front and one for the face.
Here.
We're gonna do a little bit of everything.
Oh, we can do that here.
Of course.
How are you gonna catch them?
Wow. Oh, 6.
You want more?
Wow. That's interesting. 110. Okay. So we have a medium-sized leech for the arm. The big leech is for the back. So we have one for the arm, like a medium one. You can put it on your chest, your stomach, your arm. And one for the face, like a mini leech. I guess that's how it works. I thought the smaller one was cheaper if your budget was less. But apparently that's how it works. So we're going to give it a go. Wish us luck. Okay. So it's actually very hard to make a leech bite you, or at least suck on there, because, I don't know, I think they're just not interested. It's not like in the movie, like Stand By Me, where you go in the swamp and they just all attach. It's actually very, it seems like it's very difficult. Is it working?
No, it's just there.
He's just chilling. Okay.
I think it's...
We're about to find out.
I can cut a little bit, or I can just try to get some blood from somewhere.
Let's just wait. He's getting active. I think he's bored. Why are you bored, huh? He's going on a mini adventure. Bye bye. Okay, we did it. We did it.
Yeah. I can feel that.
Wait.
I can feel that. I can feel that, Sean.
Oh no.
Shani, I can feel it.
Is it bad? Oops.
Feels like electricity or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh!
Let's see.
Se agarró fuerte, la wea se agarró fuerte.
Hold still.
Oh!
You're moving too much. Ah, look at that.
Sean. How long? 25 minutes, right? It's 1 minute left. Ah! It hurts. It hurts.
Oh, is it bad?
It hurts. It's not easy.
What?
It feels like a little needles
Yeah.
in your finger when the hospital needs your blood. Ah! Yeah. Ah! Yeah. Sean, it hurts.
Wow, look at that.
It hurts.
Imagine putting that on your face.
It hurts.
Yeah, look, he's sucking all of that.
Oh shit! Ah, Sean.
What? I'm not doing it.
Duele, concha tu madre. Ah!
Yeah, he's got a clamp on there. Look at that clamp. Wow.
Mimi, take this off. Take this off.
Take what off?
This one.
Oh, the mini one.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, you're kind of stuck in a leech situation
Claro,
here.
yo soy el conejillo de India, no pendejo. Concha tu madre.
Yeah, he's on there.
Pendejo. ¡Ay,
Okay, so I did a little bit of research on the internet. It's kind of hard to find anything, to be honest. I had to dig around. But they take around 1 or 2 teaspoons, I think. Is that right, of blood? I don't know, maybe it depends on the leech. And I read that there's 3 different types of leeches you can buy here, even though it's from the Egyptian market. I'll tell you what, comment below, tell me everything. I couldn't honestly find much information.
You see my leg, you see my leg.
Oh, that one's biting. Oh yeah, you're getting double treatment
Puta
here.
madre, no. I can't feel this too much, but this one, oh my god.
But what I did find is that they can secrete something into the blood, and that is the thing that people want from this treatment here. It's actually I don't know if it's a toxin or some sort of something from the leech that goes in your bloodstream, and apparently that's why people buy it. That's all I could find out anyway. The information was very limited. I think this one probably hurts way more because of the skin is like, you know, a lot more, not sensitive, but yeah, a lot worse on the palm of the hand there. I bet that one feels a lot better.
I don't feel that one.
Well, I think that one's for the face because it's so small. So, yeah, and this one's supposed to be for the back.
Not for the
But
back,
you have
but
one
any
on the
part of
finger.
the
But you have this one on the finger and this one on the leg. So that one probably feels great and this one probably feels terrible. Wow. And 25 minutes is the time he recommended. Crazy, isn't it?
He's feeling himself really well.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Look at
picture.
this.
Oh yeah, that's a good picture. Hang on. Wait.
Super fat.
Yeah, look how fat it is now. It was nowhere near that fat before. It's like pulling everything out your finger. Okay, let's see how hard it is to remove here. Yeah, look at
Made me
that.
hurt.
Alright.
Made me hurt.
Wow, he's so big.
Sean.
No, he's on there. He's on there. No, he's on. You're gonna have
Look at
to.
this, he's getting full of fat.
Wow, yeah, he's huge. Hey. Okay, we're gonna try and remove the leech. This is my chosen method of choice.
Yeah, but you need both hands. I can do it, maybe. Let me do it. I'm trying. He's just stuck. He don't want to move.
Yeah.
Leechy, stop. Stop. Okay, he's moving. Okay. Yeah.
You go on. Get the other side.
Yeah, wait. It has 2 mouths. What the fuck?
Yeah, I think now we know our answer. He has 2 mouths.
Look!
Wow. Alright, let's see the damage. Wow, yeah, no, he was in there.
Yeah. A great bite.
Yeah, it's a good one, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, this guy is so much fatter now. He's almost doubled the size. Wow, incredible. Yeah, he's almost doubled in size now. It's absolutely crazy. Look at that. I'm sure he'll get a lot bigger as well if you left him on longer. So I think the only problem with this leech therapy is you have to guarantee that the leeches are sanitary and new. No one else has used them before you. Because just like sharing needles or anything like that, you know, you run the risk of getting infection from other people, other blood, and, you know, things like that. So yeah, that's the big and that's the small. It's a bit of a difference. Yeah, look at the bite pattern just one day afterwards. It's like a little motorboat fan.